Welcome students to my English class. So today's topic, as you can see, it's workbook and it's theme 1 worksheet 3. So children, what's the date today? It's 5th of May 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So this worksheet deals with adjectives. So what are the adjectives? The adjectives tells us about quality and quantity of something, which may be person, place, animal or thing, which describes about person, place, animal or things. So adjectives are describing words that tells us about the quality or quantity of the noun. They are said to modify the noun, as I was saying. Adjectives are usually placed before the noun or at times after the noun. For example, we may say Rani has curly hair. So what is the quality of her hair? It's curly in nature. Next is, we may also say Rani's hair is curly. So you can see it's coming just after the noun or it's coming at the end of the sentence. Now next one, let's see, whose bag is this? Which game do you want? Here in the first word is whose and in the second one it is which. So these two are asking questions. See, question mark is being placed after each sentence. So this is known as interrogative adjective. So we have learned what? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and interrogative adjective. Now let's see this two adjective over here. The word, this is two sentences over here. Whose toy is this? It is my toy. So children, the word my describes possession or shows possession. To whom does the toy belong? It's to me. Okay. So adjectives such as my, her, your, their shows possession and hence it is known as possessive adjectives. So adjectives are describing words that tells us about the quality and or the quantity of the noun. And the types are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, interrogative adjective, and the last which we learned is the adjective of possession or possessive adjective. So now children, here you can see the exercise where you need to circle the interrogative and underline the possessive adjectives in the given sentences. See, in the first sentence, this is her pet. So what it is not a interrogative sentence because there is no question mark. So here it is possessive and the possessive word which shows over here in the sentence is her. Next one, you can easily make out that it is a question mark sentence. Whose box is Vishal holding in his hand? This is an interrogative and the interrogative word is whose. Similarly, the next one is which and the number D is also which. So these two are also interrogative sentences. Coming to number 3, my uncle is coming next week. So here the word my shows possession. So it is adjective or possessive adjective. Next two are also interrogative, what and which. And the last one, I want to be his friend. So his denotes possession. So the C1 needs to be done as your classwork. Moving on to the next exercise, that is C2. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive adjective. I have a pet dog. My pet dog is brown in color. So here you can see you need to solve this exercise by placing proper adjectives, possessive adjectives wherever it is required. So next one, my uncle and aunt are coming over to my place. I am not sure if they are driving down in their car. So their car denotes possession. This car seems to be too old. Its tires have worn out. So it denotes the tire. The car, it's denote this car means the car. So that is why it is possession. If you devote more hours to study, your performance will surely improve. Number E, they are tired of telling their son the same thing over and over again. Both Mr. Shah and his wife are good swimmers. Raman and Suman are getting married. We just received their wedding card. So, whose wedding card? It's there, Raman and Suman. So, it is denoting possessiveness. So, it is possessive adjective. Tanya's parents are annoyed with her. They have kept their toys. They have kept her toys. It will be her toys, children, in lock and key. Alright, it won't be there. It will be her toys in lock and key. Now, children, what is your home assignment? Your home assignment will be worksheet number 4, this writing. Here, what will you have to do? There was a tree plantation activity in your school on the occasion of the Earth Day. So, children, in our school also, if you remember, we used to have, you students used to bring this small saplings which we teachers used to plant and decorate our school on the Earth Day. So, here you need to write about that particular Earth Day. So here are some name hints given to you. You have to use them in order to complete the paragraph, like name and date of the event, date when it took place, who all participated, what is the purpose of the event, and what were the main highlights or main attraction of the event. So this is going to be your home assignment. So, I hope all of you have understood today's lesson. We will discuss it in details in our live class. Thank you, and all of you have a great day ahead.